Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can remove category label on Instagram profile. So you have an Instagram business account, you use that account to do a kind of business, or you're a creator, you have a business account and you selected a category label when you're creating a business account. And now you don't want the category to appear in your Instagram profile and you want to remove it, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to remove the category label from your Instagram profile. So the first thing you want to do in order to remove the category label from your Instagram profile is open your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram application, make sure you're logged into the business account that you want to remove your label for. If not, log into that business account. Once you log into that business account, you land at an interface like this. From here, what you want to do is go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Once you go into your profile, you'll see something like this. Here, you'll see three options, one to edit profile, one to add tool, and one for insights. Now what you want to do is tap on the edit profile option. Once you tap on the edit profile option, you'll land in an interface like this. From here, what you want to do is scroll down. When you scroll down, the last option you'll see will be labeled as profile display. Now to remove the category label from your Instagram profile, you need to tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, you'll see two options here. One to display category label and one to display contact information. So when this display category labels toggle is enabled, you can see that the category is displayed right under my name like this. Now to remove that label, what you want to do is disable this toggle. Once you disable this toggle, tap on the done button on the top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, tap the done button again. Once you tap on the done button again, you can see that the label has been removed from my profile. So you have successfully removed the category label from your Instagram profile. So that was the simple step in order to hide the category label from your Instagram profile. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.